I'm Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 8 inch wheels and 35 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2 to 4 inch lifted Sport, Sahara, or Rubicon JK. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 17 by 8 inch wheels and 35 by 12.5 inch tires are a popular setup with owners that have lifted JKs, as you can see from these pictures provided by JK owners. Customers running this setup are a mix of those driving on and off-road. This setup will give you a much more aggressive stance with taller and wider tires in the fender well and provide more capability when driving in off-road situations. This wheel and tire combo will fit all Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JKs that have a 2 to 4 inch lift without needing to do any modifications. Driving-wise, this setup is great for both on and off-road driving, and will be free from rubbing any suspension components and the stock front bumper. Stock Rubicons have a slightly higher suspension with taller fenders, so you can expect a bit more clearance. When driving with this setup in off-road situations, you can expect to be free from rubbing when driving on trails and also when articulating while rock crawling. A few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35 is that when driving on road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with those 35s when compared to your stock tires. At 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of this change to larger tires. This is not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind when driving. However, this can be easily corrected with a SpeedCal calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which can also be found right here on the site. We also recommend an alignment after you've installed your new wheels and tires to get the most out of your setup. If you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from Extreme Terrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your JK. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. Then just have a jack and a lug wrench ready for install and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 8 inch wheels with 35 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2 to 4 inch lifted Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JK is very popular with our customers and will give your JK a more aggressive look with taller and slightly wider tires when compared to stock. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product reviews and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.